Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Today's video, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on what's going on with Bitcoin. We're getting a little M pattern developing here where we had the double top. We did go higher after my video. I thought we would break this 48 and keep going, but unfortunately we're forming another M pattern here. Now, with that being said, this M pattern, once again, would meet our target right around $43,000, which is just crazy. I don't know if we're going to get there. We didn't get there last time. So, but we do got to be aware of this stuff, guys. Let me see here. I don't know why the extender's on. We'll take that off. Okay, and we pull this down. We pull this down from here to here. And we got our target right around $43,000. So, guys, I mean, are we going to get there? Maybe. We just got to watch. I mean, we are going to get, if we do break under this 45,530 area, yeah, then we could see more downside on Bitcoin and maybe some of the other coins like Ethereum as well. We're going to look and let's see the 4-hour chart here. Yeah, I mean, we definitely don't want to close a 4-hour candle underneath 45.38. I mean, 45.380 because that's on the 4-hour chart. We do not want to see a 4-hour candle close under the last line of this. And if you guys don't know about this, you go to templates and it's called EXP, MAEXP ribbon, okay, on TradingView. All right, so that's something we definitely don't want to see. And if that happens, then we're going to look for more downside. Ethereum chart. I don't know what this is, so we'll erase that. But we're kind of trading in this range right here, right now, which is kind of developing an M pattern as well. So we do got to watch out for that as well, because we could go a little bit lower. But I mean, there's so much momentum. I mean, this is kind of an ugly. This is not really an M pattern. Like the M pattern on Bitcoin looks a little bit more has a little bit more structure to it. Let's check out the hour chart. Yeah, I mean, it just doesn't have the structure like Bitcoin. So I'm looking more of let's see, do we have a little? Let's see, we got a little trend here. Trend is our friend. Let's see, what do we got? Something like this. Okay. So basically, we want to get above on ETH. We want to see this area break here. Of course, we want to see this area break, and then we want to see this area hold. Because right now, you guys can kind of see that we're trading around in this area here. Right now, we're just trading up and down in this area. So we want to stay in this area, or we want to see the break, of course, if you're bullish. And if you're bearish, you want to see this break down. So definitely these areas here that I got circled, these purple boxes, that'll be the difference in price. So I just want to let you guys know that's what I'm looking at. Let's see, our next area of concern here would be right around this area here, around the 2980 area as before. That would be something we would look out for. So yeah, so it could go either way, guys. This thing, look, right now Bitcoin could turn around and this could turn into a W pattern. Where's my other Bitcoin chart? It could turn into a W pattern where it could do something like this, where we go boom, boom, boom here. And instead of breaking the M pattern, we bounce here and go back up and we break above this area. Then we shoot up to the upside. So I'm not saying this is 100% bearish, but we just got to, I just want you guys to be aware that there is an M pattern that is developing that could turn into a W pattern, which is a double bottom. And so that is a possibility. I'm just trying to give you guys an update on worst case and best case scenario here. Right now, it's kind of stagnant. On the daily chart, this is something I wanted to mention, and this is why I've been so bullish too on Bitcoin. I think if we do get a pullback, it would be a temporary pullback. I don't think we're gonna I think if we get up to like this 51 area that I have on my Fibonacci that I've had forever, or $50,000 mark, I think then we can maybe get a bigger pullback. I just don't see us pulling back too much here. I think if we do, we're going to go back up, because if you look here, the 50 is moving up right now at a rapid pace. The 200, the more we move sideways or up, or we stay above this 200, the faster this 50 will go. And by this week, if we keep on pace here, this will cross this. And then last time we had a death cross here, this will turn into a golden cross. Okay. So we're going to go from death cross to golden cross. And that's one of the reasons why I've been so bullish. But I'm very curious, of course, to see what happens at these bigger marks. And not only that, but the Bitcoin dominance is going down, guys. We're going to look at this. Look at this. I mean, guys, I haven't even touched it. If you guys watch my old Bitcoin dominance charts, I have not touched these levels, and we haven't even looked at it in forever. And look, boom, we hit these levels. We're starting to go down. So Bitcoin dominance is going down. So what does that mean? The altcoins like Matic that we talked about, Cardano that we've been talking about forever on my channel, Solano, how I mentioned that the other day, it went up 60%. Just I think went up 40-50% just today. So I mentioned that. But the reason, guys, I chart Bitcoin and Ethereum for all of you, even though a lot of you guys might not be trading this or can't afford this, especially a lot of the newer people that are trading Bitcoin or watching my channel or trading, crypto in general. The reason that I chart Ethereum and Bitcoin constantly, and I do some other charting. I've done a lot of Cardano, and I've done a lot of Matic. I've done Solano. I've done DOT. I've done a lot of these other charts. But the reason that I keep an eye on Bitcoin and Ethereum so much, because those run the market. And of course, the dominance. And we look at a Bitcoin dominance, and we look at Ethereum versus Bitcoin dominance. We do a lot of that as well on my channel. And we also look at short positions, who's shorting what and what's getting shorted. This is very important information, guys. So for me, for all you new guys, and I understand a lot of you guys might not be buying necessarily Bitcoin and Ethereum, but you don't understand how this helps out the other coins and how this affects all the coins that you're in. So it's very important to make sure that Bitcoin and Ethereum are always your main focus, always. And then you look for patterns on your altcoins, and you look for Bitcoin dominance. If Bitcoin dominance is going down, your altcoins will go up, depending if Bitcoin trades sideways. Because sometimes the dominance can go down and Bitcoin could be going up. When that happens, altcoins will just absolutely explode. Okay? So that it's just because Bitcoin dominance goes down doesn't mean Bitcoin's going down. It just means that that altcoins are making a better run. Altcoins are doing well. You could see when the altcoins exploded here, we had this big, and we had the downfall too. But we are breaking this trend. I could have drew this higher, guys. Yes, I know, but it doesn't matter. If I drew it higher, it's going to touch these points here. So to me, it didn't really matter. But we could see something like this, where this comes down, retest, and then gets confirmation, and Bitcoin takes off. And then if that happens, the altcoins will lag behind Bitcoin. Bitcoin will be the dominant one again. Now, altcoins could go up a little bit, but they won't be going up as fast as they're going up now. Okay? I don't know if this all makes sense to you guys, but I'm hoping it does. So even though Bitcoin dominance can go down, Bitcoin, yes, can either trade sideways, which is the best thing that it could do. When you see Bitcoin trading sideways or even going up a little bit at a time, and the dominance is going down, that is good for the altcoins. Okay, that is good for the smaller coins. That's when you're looking to trade the smaller coins. And like I mentioned, Solano in my last video, and of course that took off. So I don't know if you guys checked that out and got in it, but I just want to let you guys know this is the reason I chart Bitcoin and I chart Ethereum on my channel the most, because you guys can, if you guys like altcoins that you like, of course, always do your homework on whatever you're buying. So if you like Solano, you like DOT, you like some of the ones that I named, Link, Matic, okay, you like any of those coins, just make sure you're looking at the dominance. Make sure you're looking at Bitcoin. Make sure you're looking at Ethereum, because those will run the market. When those start to go down, or there's problems with Ethereum or Bitcoin, yeah, then things can go down. And if you see, of course, the dominance going down with Bitcoin having a dramatic drop, that could also bring your coins down, because they still run the market either way. Okay, so now there's always going to be some coin that's pumping. All right, no matter what's going on, because there's so many of them. But that's the main concept of what crypto is being run off of. So for all you guys that are new to crypto, you definitely want to watch people that are charting Bitcoin and Ethereum, because that will control your altcoin, especially with the dominance. If this dominant turns around, like I said, your altcoins will stall out a little bit. They won't be moving as fast. So listen, guys, I just wanted to give you this update. Watch out for the M pattern here on Bitcoin. Let's see, what is this? 4-hour on the 4-hour chart. Watch out for this M pattern right here. Okay, our target would be around 43,000. So just keep an eye on that. Let's see, we have on the daily, we have the 200-day moving average right around 45,500, right at the level where we need to hold. So basically, you want to hold that 200. If we break a 4-hour or an hour under there, then yeah, we could see that M pattern develop. But lately, guys, we haven't been meeting our targets, okay, because it's been such a bull run. But like I said, we could, and if that happens, you got to be prepared. All right, so I'm just preparing you guys for the worst. And if the best happens and this turns around and goes into a W, then we're going to hit this target up here, which is right at my Fibonacci, right around 51 that I've had there forever. So just keep that in mind, guys. Listen, much love to you guys. Let's keep this ball rolling, and I'll get this video out to you guys as quick as possible. I gotta figure out my editing. I had my intro and everything, but it was kind of making everything a little blurry. So I got to figure that part out. So I'm just gonna send this video out to you guys. Make sure you guys hit the sub, hit the all. Just show me love. I'm doing this out of just love for you guys, giving you guys updates. Spending my time on this. I'm also looking at other stocks and stuff that I'm looking at. I'm really liking Virgin Galactic to drop a little bit more. So we'll see what happens there. I think if that drops a little bit more, and we can get it into we're going to watch the 21 area on Virgin Galactic. I think it could get down to the $17, $18 area, which in my opinion, and guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. But I think that would be an area where there's some gaps down there that need to get filled, and that could be a potential good opportunity to get in something for cheap and ride that thing up to the upside, because I think Virgin Galactic, obviously, I think will be worth more than $17 or $18 in the future. So that's kind of easy money, in my opinion. So just keep an eye on that too if you guys are interested in stocks. I mean, there's other stocks that I can go on a list on, but that's just one I'm watching now, just because it's getting hammered, and there's some gaps down there that need to get filled, and they usually do. So listen, much love to you guys. I appreciate you guys. Much love to all of you. And make sure you guys hit the like and sub to my channel, and I'll get this video out to you guys. Peace out.